Hello everyone and welcome to our Site Checkers channel. Today we're focusing on a crucial aspect of web development, 500 server errors. These errors are more than just random glitches, they're indicators of server-side issues that can significantly impact your websites or application. We'll explain each common error, why it's vital to address them, and offer a targeted solution. So let's dive deeper. Why addressing 500 status code is important? These errors impact the functionality and accessibility of your website, affecting user experience, potentially harming your traffic and SEO. They are signals from your server that something is wrong, be it overloading, misconfiguration, or system failures, and fixing these errors ensures reliable and efficient service delivery. Here are some of the most popular 500 status codes and their fixes. First goes 500 internal server error. This is a catch-all error, where the server encounters an unexpected condition that prevents it from fulfilling a request. Here are some of the most popular fixes. Check server logs for specific error details, review recent changes to your site, investigate coding errors or misconfigurations, monitor server resource usage, and verify file and script permissions. The second goes 502-bait gateway. It occurs when the server acting as a gateway or proxy receives an invalid response from the upstream server. In order to fix it, check your proxy server configuration, review the logs of both proxy and upstream servers, and ensure proper communication between servers. Then goes 503 Service Unavailable. This error will tell you that the server is temporarily unable to handle the request, which might be due to overloading or maintenance. In order to fix, you can confirm and communicate server maintenance schedules, access and upgrade server capacity if needed, examine server-side application for high resource consumption, implement rate limiting or queuing to manage traffic, and use load balancers for traffic distribution. 504 Gateway Timeout appears when the server acting as a gateway or proxy does not receive a timely response from the upstream server. The fixes are to review and adjust network configuration, troubleshoot the upstream server for issues, and configure appropriate timeout settings. The last issue will be 505 HTTP version not supported. It indicates that the server does not support the HTTP protocol version used in the request. To fix the issue, confirm the HTTP version used by the client and update or configure the server to support the specific HTTP version. That is it for the most common issues. Addressing these errors is the key to maintaining a smooth, user-friendly online experience. For more tech tips and insights, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching. In case you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to our support, which is support@sitechecker.pro.